This pasta salad is nice, light, refreshing, and perfect for any time of year. Let's make some. I like to use rainbow cherry tomatoes because they come in different colors and they add so much vibrancy to the pasta salad. And they're nice and small, so I don't have to cut a lot. I just take one, slice it in half, and there you go. You can slice it any way you want to. You can slice it the long way or the short way. I like the short way. It gives you nice bite-sized pieces. I prefer to use the spinach in a bunch to the spinach in a bag because it's easier to chop. Let me show you. I start at the tip and I just go all the way down to the stem, and then I can just throw the stems away. Easy peasy. Make sure your water is boiling before you add salt. You want to salt this very heavily, and then you are going to add your pasta, and you're going to cook your pasta based on the directions on the box. If you want a perfect al dente, you're going to boil this for approximately 11 to 12 minutes. Once your pasta is done, you are going to drain, and I like to rinse with cold water and ice to chill my pasta faster. Once your pasta is chilled, you're going to add it to your bowl of chopped spinach and your tomatoes. It's time to season this up. We're going to season generously with some salt. We're also going to season with some black pepper. You already know I got to season with just a little garlic powder. And then we're going to top it off with some freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. And you're going to use approximately 1 cup of your favorite Italian dressing. After all your ingredients are in the bowl, you're going to simply toss this salad until all the ingredients are incorporated. Use your judgment. If your salad is looking a little dry, feel free to add as much Italian dressing as you wish. You're going to continue to stir until everything is all mixed in. And I like to chill this for a little bit longer before serving. However, you can serve immediately. And this is a nice, beautiful, delicious pasta salad that is perfect for summertime, but you can serve it throughout the entire year. Bon appetit. Let's eat.